In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily enable dark mode on Udemy using a handy browser extension. If you enjoy studying late into the night or prefer a more eye-friendly appearance on your screen, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and transform your study sessions. First, we'll need to head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can open your preferred web browser and type Chrome Web Store in your search bar. The Chrome Web Store is a great resource for finding and installing extensions that can enhance your browsing experience, offering tons of tools to help you customize your browser to fit your needs. Once you find it, click on the link to open the store. With the Chrome Web Store open, you'll notice a search bar at the top left corner. In this search bar, type in Dark Reader. Dark Reader is a fantastic extension that converts the bright interface of most websites into a soft, dark mode, which can be much easier on the eyes, especially in low light conditions. It's a popular tool for those who spend long hours in front of their screens, as it helps reduce eye strain by providing a more subdued color palette. Once you locate Dark Reader in the search results, you'll want to click on it. Take a moment to read through its description and reviews if you're interested in learning more about what it offers. Next, click on the Add to Chrome button. You may see a prompt asking for permission to add the extension. Simply confirm your choice by clicking Add Extension. This step is vital as it allows the extension to be properly integrated into your browser. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice a small icon appear near your browser's address bar. This is your new Dark Reader extension. Now that you have Dark Reader installed, you can enable dark mode on Udemy. What is great about Dark Reader is its versatility. It automatically adjusts websites into dark mode, transforming the white background into shades of dark gray and reversing text colors for better contrast. If you're on Udemy or any other page and want to switch things up, simply click on the Dark Reader icon and toggle the switch to On. It's as easy as that. You may also find some options within the extension to fine-tune the appearance, allowing you to adjust brightness, contrast, and more to suit your preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully applied dark mode on Udemy using the Dark Reader extension. Following these steps should give you a more comfortable viewing experience, especially for all those lengthy study sessions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember to share it with your friends and colleagues who might also enjoy a softer display. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.